Other restrictions apply. Referrals to the latest terms and conditions of service at simplemobile.com.
Another on-sale rock rolls on in 60 seconds or less. Station Town Fair Tire, WAAF.
Hey gang, over the years you've heard me rave about the NeoGraft and Dr. Robert Leonard. Well, the latest technique in hair transplant surgery is the ARTIS robot, and Dr. Robert Leonard has it. Technology's always changing, new generations of cell phones, TVs, and even hair transplants. The great thing about Dr. Leonard is that he's at the top of his field and he embraces new technology, which is now the ARTIS robot. This June I picking up my letters from Dr. Leonard and the ARTIS robot. This ARTIS robot is the least invasive, most precise, and accurate device in hair transplant surgery, and no surprise, there's only one doctor in the greater Boston area who has it, my hair doctor, Dr. Robert Leonard. The ARTIS robot was so cool. Under the control of Dr. Leonard, it used a robotic arm and digital imaging to remove my hair from the back of my head. Then Dr. Leonard placed it on top of my head, which will grow permanently, and I'm going to have the thickest and awesomest hair on the planet. It's the ARTIS robot, and it's at Dr. Leonard's. Call 1-800-GET-HAIR. Go to hairdr.com for your free consultation. He's everywhere. Worcester, Newton, Boston, Salem, New Hampshire, and Rhode Island. Change your lettuce, change your life.